Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make money on Amazon Associates. Let's begin. Now, Amazon Associates is an affiliate marketing program run by Amazon. It allows website owners and bloggers to earn referral fees by placing affiliate links to Amazon products on their websites or other platforms. Now, when someone clicks through an affiliate link and makes a purchase on Amazon, the affiliate or the website owner or blogger earns a commission on that specific sale. Now, to make money through the Amazon Associates program, it will involve several key steps. Number one is you need to visit the Amazon Associates website. Now, I suggest you go to the computer on your PC and log into amazonassociates.com. It's a lot easier to create your account here than the mobile app. And from here, we need to sign up for an account. All right. Now, you see, all we have to do is sign up. Of course, joining tens of thousands of creators, publishers, bloggers who are earning within the Amazon Associates program. After that, you can share millions of products with their audience. They have a customized linking tools for large publishers, individual bloggers, and social media influencers. And of course, you will earn 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. Of course, they offer competitive conversion rates and help maximize earnings. All we have to do is click the sign up button here. Once you are here, obviously, you need to enter all the information as much as you can. All right. And again, I might have to enter all information first and get back to you after the this process. All right. I don't want to bore you with all the small details. Now, after that, you need to enter your websites if you have it. For example, if you have a blog. All right. And then it's very important you read all these instructions before you fill this information. You can also enter your mobile app or Alexa skill URL if you have that. And you need to list all the top level websites or mobile apps in which you plan to display banners, widgets, special links, or other ads from Amazon Associates. You need to at least to have one website or mobile app, and you can add 2 websites or mobile apps. All right, let's do that. Now, once you have added your blog, you're going to be reading all this information. And make sure you understand all of this. And of course, click on the procedure. Now, this is very important to read all these instructions before you fill out this information. All right. Now, once you're done that, all you're gonna do is you'll be welcome with a message here. All right, and you can enter your payment and tax information now, or you can do that later. And of course, explore the dashboard for Amazon Associates. All right, let's do that. Now, inside the Amazon Associates dashboard, you need to select a niche or topic that you are interested in that has products available on Amazon. And of course, this could be anything from technology to fashion to home improvement. And if you wanted to create a website or blog focused on your chosen niche, you can do that. And you can use platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace for this purpose. And of course, you need to write helpful and informative content related to your niche. You could include product reviews, how-to guides, listicles, and more, and make sure your content is valuable to your audience. Now, here is going to be your summary. And if you wanted to learn more at the Creator University, just click on the education option here. You have the Amazon Bounty program, Amazon promo codes, and the Creator Rewards. When you click on it, what will happen is, you see, you would be given the current and then the upcoming options for the Creator Rewards. There's a lot. In terms of the Amazon Bounty program, you have to realize that here, you see, you can get paid when you drive in, sign up for Amazon subscription programs, all right? And of course, you can unlock new revenue streams by promoting Amazon subscriptions like Amazon Prime to your audience, all right? All you're going to do is get started with Bounties and click on the commission and income statement. Generate and post your links on every products that you are going to show off, especially with their audience if you have already built an audience, be it on other platforms. And of course, be authentic, engage with bounties, always be linking and find perfect pairings. After that, you can also explore the Amazon promo codes. Now, promo codes give customers a discount on eligible terms at checkout, and brands create promo codes and share with you to refer to your customers. And again, if you have an audience already established, you can share promo codes to delight your audience and earn fees. Now, in terms of the tools, if you go to the side stripe, which I am using right now, all right, now the side stripe is the quickest and easiest way to link any page on Amazon to use your associate as side stripe. The side stripe toolbar will appear at the top of every page you visit on Amazon if you're logged into your Amazon using your same Amazon account. All right, and again, to build the link to your page with a side stripe, simply go to the page you want on Amazon and get the link text button to side stripe. It's that simple. So let's do that right now. Now you see the Amazon side stripe is already at the upper left corner. When you click on that, all right, you would have an option to get all this information. All right, if you want to earn bonus commissions in this Prime Day, you can learn about the creator connections. Basically, it appears every single now and then on the Amazon, any part of the Amazon page that you are, if you are logged into your account. All right, now another great way to the Amazon is the link checker. This one is very helpful to check the tagging of a URL linking to Amazon.com. And from here, this tool is intended primarily for people constructing or modifying their own associate links to Amazon. All right, just enter your link in the below box, and please note that new tracking IDs can sometimes take several minutes before the link checker can validate. All right, we're going to have a separate video dedicated to the link checker. Now, all I'm gonna do is, now if Amazon affiliate link is ready, for example, one of the customers went to this specific product that you are affiliated with, all right, and they bought this for like $35. And of course, as you remember, you're gonna have earn a specific commission based on the products that have been bought into. All right, your Amazon affiliate link will show up at the checkout process. Make sure that you use Amazon Associates report to track your earnings and understand which products and strategies are working best. And of course, continuously optimize your content and promotional strategies based on this data. Ensure you comply with the Amazon Associates program policies to avoid any risk of being banned from the program. Right? If when a customer adds this to the cart and bought it, you're gonna earn a specific commission from that. All right, basically that's how you make money here on the Amazon Associates. It requires patience and persistence, and building a reputable website with valuable content and driving consistent traffic, of course, are the keys to maximizing your earnings through the affiliate marketing link. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.